Welcome to the Ultimate Linux Showdown! Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because choosing an operating system is hard enough without missing future tech comparisons. So, you want to escape Windows? Smart move! Let's talk about Linux Mint versus Pop! OS, two Ubuntu-based distributions that are basically cousins arguing at the family reunion about who's cooler. Linux Mint launched in 2006 and is the comfort food of Linux distributions. It uses the Cinnamon desktop environment that looks like Windows had a glow-up. Everything works out of the box: codecs, multimedia, the whole package. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants their computer to just work without a PhD in command lines. Mint even includes Timeshift for system backups because they know you'll eventually break something. Pop! OS, created by System 76 in 2017, is the tech bro of Linux distros. It uses a modified GNOME desktop with a tiling window manager that makes you look like a hacker in movies. Multiple windows perfectly arranged like you're tracking satellites. It's optimized for gaming, programming, and creative work with out-of-the-box NVIDIA driver support that actually works. Revolutionary. Performance? Mint runs smoothly on older hardware. Your grandma's 2015 laptop will feel brand new. Pop! OS demands more resources, but delivers high performance for gaming and intensive tasks. It's like comparing a reliable Honda Civic to a Tesla. Software? Both access Ubuntu's massive repository. Mint supports Snap, Flatpak, and Deb packages. Pop! OS leans heavily on apt and includes firmware updates for System 76 hardware, plus bleeding-edge software for developers. The verdict? Choose Mint if you want Windows familiarity and zero hassle. Choose Pop! OS if you're a developer, gamer, or power user who needs advanced features and doesn't mind a learning curve. Both are free, both are fantastic, and both prove you don't need Windows to have a great computing experience. Welcome to the Linux side. We have customization and privacy. Now, go download something.